What?
Priscilla and Patty look like they're having a great time together. Just curious, how much would you like to mess that up?
Very much. I'd consider it. What do I do?
Lure the raccoons out of the chimney. They'll run right through the firewood and send it flying before Priscilla can start a fire.
Then I start the fire instead. I'll be the hero of the winter holidays.
Sure, something like that. Just lure the raccoons out with their favorite foods. Show 'em, Floof. Floof!
Quite a trick, weird horse creature. Hero Preston is on his way.
It's really not the best idea to lure wild animals inside a house.
You're right, but right now it's the best way to save them from the fire. Now, let's find a way out of this trap.
Don't mind me. Just going to leave these right here.
Oh, they're so cute! Now I'm glad we didn't roast them in a fire. Thank you, Daddy!
My pleasure, Princess. It's why they call me the hero of the winter holidays. Now I'll make a fire.
Uh-oh. The raccoons are still hungry, and that means they'll... I take it back! I hate raccoons!
You brought them here, Preston. Do something. Yes, of course. Immediately. I know what to do. I'll just... I don't know what to do! Wretched Rangers, get them out of here!
We'll get the raccoons for you. Strength power! Gotcha! Glitter flower micro power! Here I come! Ah! Glitter flower macro power!
Constructomax! Construct a net!
Floof. Floof. That'll keep him happy.